Assaalamualikum, my name is Nur Amira. This is my project, Smart LED Light. The power connect to the laptop. So this is my prototype. We have speaker and RGB strip light. First of all, we need open the hotspot for no MCU can connect to the Wi-Fi. Then we open the Blinks apps and turn on the switch. The RGB will light up. We turn on the music. Then LED will synchronize with the music. We can set the timer when we want to start and when we want to turn off the switch in the blink. Now we wait until the switch is turned off. Now the switch is turned off, so the RGB is also turned off. But sorry, in this my demo video, the music is overplay, but the blink is off based on the timer that have been set. We can off the hotspot now. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira binti Muhammad Fazil. I'm from Sweden. So this is my explanation about my project, Smart LED Light. For introduction, the power of light can captivate the mind, body and soul. Modern day concept and performance provide a awe-inspiring effect made possible by innovative state-of-the-art lighting paired with the teams of talented lighting designer and technician. This project uses Arduino for taking the audio input, processing it and then giving output through its digital pin to the LED strip controller circuit, which then drive the strip. Besides, light up your new parties and impress all your friends with these amazing music reactive multicolor LED lights that respond and change their color on every loud beat. These lights are nothing but simple RGB LED strip connect to Arduino. The brand of this project LED strip means that you can mount them anywhere in your home, even outdoors. For problem statement. One of the main attractions of a stage performance is light and music. Stage technician trying to set up lighting for a production and they encountering problems with the light, either not behaving well or not appearing to look good when publicity shoots are taken. Besides, festival light also are the same every year without music. Therefore, Smart LED is a new concept of bringing music and light together in synchronization. The Smart LED light display light based on the music playing. The objective for this project is to develop the light control system via Arduino IDE, to analyze performance of develop of light control system based on sound sensor and timer, and to set the timer through the app's smartphone. Next, we move to the methodology of this project. First of all, we are obtaining project title from supervisor. In the first and second week, we discuss with our supervisor about the title project that we want to do it. After that, we obtaining project components from the faculty and some component that we will need to buy by ourselves. After got the component complete, we testing the component is function well and writing the program. We start design the project circuit in the freezing first before design on the breadboard. After the installation component on breadboard, we program the coding in the component. Settle all the circuit, we design a prototype Then we testing the project. This is my flowchart and block diagram. Okay. For project development, we use hardware and software. For hardware, I use ESP8266, Arduino Uno, sound sensor, and RGB street light. For the software, I use Arduino IDE, freezing, and blink. This is a circuit on board. The function of non-MCU is to give Wi-Fi and connect to the sound detector. The Arduino Uno is to program the coding for the color of RGB strip light. Sound sensor to get the music, and RGB strip light to give the output of the light. This is the schematic diagram and PCB diagram in this project. I used to create 2 diagrams in the freezing software. This is the result of this project. As we can see, when the switch in the blink is on, the sound sensor will on to detect the music, and RGB will light up when synchronized with music. But when switch off in the blink, sound sensor is also off, so the sound sensor cannot detect the music and the RGB is not light up. For discussion, this project is about the smart LED light. The system is connected to the Arduino Uno, which the program code has been programmed in the Arduino software. The code program will make the sound sensor detect the music and give output the RGB strip light. From the observation that have been made, the sound sensor can detect music functionally. RGB strip light will reactive based on music that detected by sound sensor. The objective of the project have been successfully. The marketing of this project. Global programmable stage lighting market is experiencing growth owing to the factors such as need for more versatile lighting solution and increased usage of LED stage lighting. Since programmable stage lighting is digitally controlled, major light showy and events can be easily programmed and run by laptops and computers. LED features have dominance over old-fashioned ones that make them attractive in stage lighting. Based on technology type, the programmable stage lighting market is feature segment into Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and others. In the conclusion, this smart LED project is the result of our observation in a kind of lamp that make it easy for user to use it. We want difference in the implementation of the project present by its method and application are useful and beneficial to everyone. Maybe one day my project will be marketed and become one additional equipment in the future. Various advanced equipment and available in the market. Practical work skill practical during learning in the last semester has been used for the creation of this project. Through the exercise, it can nurture work spirit and curiosity about something new as well as learning. From here, this project we are working on it is not complicated. It requires a lot of imagination in terms of manufacturing in the project model. Thank you.